Hey guys, Grant here. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and for all my subscribers, we'll be getting back to the regularly scheduled Lake House content next week. Outside of YouTube, I do work a full-time job, so it can be difficult sometimes to edit a video every single week and have it published for every Saturday. However, we haven't missed a week and I don't plan on it. So again, I'll see you next week with the second floor platform build, and as always, thanks for watching and happy building. See you next time.